Here's a pair of standard Grozing pliers. They're much smaller than the running pliers and used very differently. You'll see here that there's one jaw that is curved and one that's flat. The flat one will always go on top. Grozing pliers are very handy for taking off tiny little corners or very thin strips, little edges that just didn't come off either with the running pliers or are too small to break off with the running pliers. So I've made a score and I have marked it with a marker first so that you can see the line. Grozing pliers are butted against the line, always with the flat jaw on the top, and it's a very straightforward pulling action. Let's watch it again in slow motion. There's no twisting, no bending, no snapping of the wrist. It's just a straight on pulling action to pull that little piece of glass off of there. The other reason why Grozing pliers are super handy to have around, it's for pulling out the little pieces of glass on an inside curve. The reason I marked that with a marker is so that you can see the score line much better in the video. Again, butting the pliers up against the score line, getting a firm grip with my left hand, and then pulling straight on. There's no bending, no snapping the wrist. Don't try and bend it to break it off. You're going to have pieces shatter. It's strictly a pull. It does take practice, but you can do it.